Good morning, guys. Hello, everyone. And today I would like to show one clinical case. The patient has broken a tooth and doesn't want to remove it. I offered to remove the tooth and put in implant, but the patient refused. We decided to save the tooth. We decided to restore the tooth with the fiberglass pin. The tooth was isolated. Root part of the tooth was expanded under the pin. The individual inlay was made of composite, and the inlay was fixed adhesive system. Optibond fell. Then the teeth were prepared for ceramic crown, IMAX crown. I think it's an excellent result to the tooth restoration and preservation, and I think this tooth was be used so many times. Have a nice day. Bye bye.